Hi friends, welcome to Konexio Technical Insight. I'm Rahul Randeria and I will be conducting today's show. Today we would be discussing regarding the trend, the setups, the technical indicators, the candlestick pattern, the derivative data of Nifty, Bank Nifty, as well as the different asset classes. First of all, a general disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before investing and trading. Now, just let us discuss what we have mentioned in our last video. In our last thumbnail, we have clearly mentioned that last Friday's piercing line pattern. I'm not saying about last Friday, but last to last week's Friday's piercing line pattern in Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Sensex. Are this pattern a formation of a bottoming out process, or these are intermediate bottom? And we had put a question mark, and we were expecting a bottom formation and bounce back in the market, and we had a buy on dips strategy, and that pan out to be very well on our expected lines. Yes, the pullback was not that much severe or that much deep, but slight intraday pullback was witnessed, and then afterwards we saw that Nifty started rallying very strongly and started its journey, upward journey, and ended on a positive note on week basis. But on Friday, some sort of profit booking was seen, and Nifty ended on a positive note throughout the week. So now, without wasting time, let us go. Now, this is the Nifty daily chart. You can clearly see it has formed a slightly bearish pattern, specifically on Friday. But let me go to the weekly candle so that we will have a clear view. Now, this is the weekly candle. Uh, Throughout the week, markets remained volatile and took an attempt to break his lifetime high. But before that, on Friday, we saw some sort of profit booking coming in at the higher levels, and slightly grounds were lost on Friday. But overall, it ended on a positive note with 1.23% gain on weekly basis. Now, this weekly candle is an indecisive candle, which is a sideways candle. The weekly highs and lows would be the trend deciding level for the next week. But looking at this particular pattern, you can clearly see it has Nifty has been moving in this expanding triangle. Currently, the moving average is also intact. You can clearly see. Let me start this RSI. RSI has just cooled off. It has taken a. It has just closed about the RSI trigger line. So definitely, the overall trend seems to be positive, but most probably Friday's low or Friday's candle might see some sort of cool off or something like that. That would be a minor one. But looking at the SGX Nifty, sorry, the Gift Nifty, we feel that on Monday we might see a gap up opening because the US markets were also positive. If there is a gap up opening and if the rally sustains and breaks the Thursdays and Fridays high, then we might see Nifty testing its lifetime high in the next week. So overall, the chart seems to be positive. Nothing to worry about it. If there is cool off on intraday basis, that should be used as a buying opportunity. So friends, now let us discuss the important supports and resistance level in Nifty for the next week. The first support in the Nifty is placed at 22,305. Below that, the second support is placed at 22,198, and third support is placed at 22,097. On the upside, the first resistance is around 22,625. Second resistance is around 22,777, almost lifetime high. And if it breaks, then third resistance is around 22,970. So these are the crucial supports and resistance level in Nifty. Traders should watch out this level. Strategy should be buy on near the supports and try to book around the resistance area. Once and if the resistance are broken, if the prices sustains above those levels, then carry forward the positions. But overall, looking at this particular chart, we feel next week should be buy on dips strategy, and market might test the lifetime high. Now, friends, let us come to the derivative data of Nifty call. In Nifty calls, you can clearly see the action was seen in 22,500 calls, 22,600, 22,700, and 22,800 calls, and up to certain level 22,900 calls also. Now here you can see there was a significant drop or a sizable drop in the option premium. Implied volatility is between 11.64 and 13.65. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes. On immediate basis, as I said, 22,500 could act as an immediate resistance. If Nifty crosses and closes above those levels, then we might see a sharp short covering in this option writing. You can clearly see there has been a sharp drop in the option premium. That means that smart money has already entered into writing the at the money and out of the money calls at this juncture. And if Nifty crosses 22,500, then we might see a sharp short covering rally, which might take Nifty towards the level of 22,800 mark. Now, friends, let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty. Nifty put. In Nifty put, you can see the action was seen in 22,300 puts, 22,200, 22,100, and 22,000 puts. Now here you can see the option premium is slightly flat or almost flat. You can consider it. Implied volatility is between 10.38 and 12.13. There has been a rise in the volumes, slightly rise in the open interest. Now, on the immediate basis, you can see 22,300 could act as a very strong support area. There has been a strong support of volumes as well as the uh, open interest. If Nifty closes below 22,300 mark, then there are chances that Nifty might slip down to the levels of around 22,200. But I feel that should be used as a buying opportunity around 22,200 or between 22,150 and 22,000 mark. That should be the strong buying opportunity area where one should look out to go long for at least a swing trade for the upside rally. So friends, this is the derivative analysis. And looking at the charts and derivative data, the trend seems to be positive. Now friends, let us come to the Bank Nifty daily charts. We will try to figure out what is the trend uh, on the technical front and what could be the uh, further trend at least for the next week. Now this is the daily charts of Bank Nifty. You can clearly see it is moving in an upward rising channel. Currently, it has on Friday it has ended on a weaker note, but most probably the overall trend seems to be positive. It is on the midway of this particular rising channel. Let us see the RSI again. Has slightly cooled off, but it has again taken support around the RSI line. So definitely there is nothing to worry about it, but that doesn't mean a minor further pull off cannot be ruled out. But that should be used as a buying opportunity looking at the daily charts. So let us go to the weekly charts. Now here is the weekly charts of Bank Nifty. Now here you can clearly again see that Bank Nifty has formed a high wave candle. Now you can clearly see the high wave candle means priced open on a flat note or slightly positive note with 1% gain. It made a swing low. Then throughout the week it rallied. It made a swing high and again closed near the opening of the week. So this is considered as a high wave candle. The trend was not clear on the weekly charts. So highs and lows of the last week candle would be the trend deciding level looking at the weekly charts. But looking at the daily charts, the Thursdays and Fridays candle, if we combine, the picture changes and it gives us some kind of indication that any dips should be used as a buying opportunity at this juncture if there is some kind of cool off. But as I said, the US markets were positive. Gift Nifty is positive with almost 70 points in the Nifty. So maybe Bank Nifty might open up with 150 to 200 points rally. If there is a cool off after the positive opening, that should be used as a buying opportunity. For that, where to buy? Let us discuss the supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty for the next week. So friends, the first support in the Bank Nifty is placed around 47,899. Below that, the second support is around 47,628, and the third support is around 46,982. Whereas on the upside, the first resistance is around 48,679. Second resistance is around 48,888, and third resistance is around 49,057. These are the important supports and resistance level in Bank Nifty. Traders should watch out this level, wait for some intraday cool off, then try to build long positions for a swing trade at least for the next week. And we feel that there are chances that next week markets might test, at least in the Nifty market, might test the lifetime high. Or if that doesn't happen, maybe in the couple of weeks or couple of trading sessions, maybe 10, 12 trading sessions, that we'll see further, market might test the lifetime high. So definitely overall trend seems to be positive on the charts of the Bank Nifty. Any dips should be used as a buying opportunity. Now friends, let us discuss the derivative data of Bank Nifty calls. In Bank Nifty calls, the action was seen in 48,500 calls, 49,000 calls, and 49,500 calls. Now here the most important thing is that there has been a significant drop in option premium. Implied volatility is slightly higher. It is between 15.5 and 16.14. There has been a rise in the open interest, rise in the volumes uh, on this particular derivative data. On immediate basis, 48,500 could act as an immediate resistance, or between 48,500 to 48,600. Once Bank Nifty closes above 4,600, 48,600 mark, then we might see a rally towards the level of 49,000 and maybe 49,300 mark in the coming trading sessions. But looking at this particular data, we feel that if there is a gap up opening, again bears will try to push Bank Nifty on the downside. But I don't think so. There could be a sharp dip or sharp follow through selling. Bank Nifty might take support around the lower levels, and that we'll discuss when we see the Bank Nifty put data. So overall, the call data seems to be slightly negative. But as I said, once Bank Nifty crosses 48,500 to 48,600, we might see a sharp short covering rally in the next week. Now, friends, let us discuss the Bank Nifty put data. In Bank Nifty put, you can clearly see the action was seen in 48,000 puts, then 47,500 puts, and 47,000 puts. Now, here you can clearly see there is a rise in the OI in 48,000. Then there has been a drop in the option OI in 47,500 puts. Though the open interest shedding of the open interest is slightly low, but again another at strike price 47,300 and 47,200, 47,100. There has been a shedding in the open interest. So those who are maybe those who might be long in the Bank Nifty puts might slightly started booking profits. This is what is seen at this level, but this particular shedding is not that much strong, or we might consider it that those who are short in Bank Nifty put might have started booking profits or exiting the short Bank Nifty put positions. But looking at this particular data, we feel that 48,000 could act as a very strong support. If it breaks, then there are chances then Bank Nifty might slip down towards the level of 47,500, and that should be the area, or between 47,700 to 47,500. This particular range should be used as a buying opportunity for swing trade in the Bank Nifty for the coming trading sessions. So looking at this particular data, the overall data seems to be positive of charts of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So again, I would like to say the strategy should be buy on dips for the next week. Now, friends, let us come to the final segment of our show, which is positional call. I've identified one stock from the railway segment. The name of the stock is IRFC. Let me go to the daily charts. Now this is the daily chart of IRFC. You can clearly see the stock has given a triangular breakout. On Friday, the volumes were highest uh, of since last maybe 30-35 days. So a breakout with a highest volume of the last 30-35 trading sessions is clearly indicating that the stock is showing some sort of indication that it might give a very decent return from this particular juncture. Stock is looking promising. Price volume actions is also good. You can clearly see the the moving average is also moving in tandem with the price. RSI is also positive. So definitely all the indicators, all the triggers are in the favor of the bulls. So currently the stock is quoting around 158. So maybe short-term investors, swing traders, positional traders, or scalpers, whatever the market participant may be, should watch out this stock, should keep this stock on their radar for investment, trading, or whatever is comfortable to the traders or investors. So I would recommend or I would suggest buy IRFC on dips to 153 for an upside target of 182 in short to medium term. Short to medium term means for the next 2 to 3 months. Looking at this particular stock, the behavior of the stock, this target might come in a very short time also, maybe in 1 month or 15 days, I don't know. But the history has proven that the stock has tendency to move very fast. But at least I have given a conservative target of 2 to 3 months. The stock is looking good. Again, I would like to say buy on dips, IRFC on dips to 153 for an upside target of 182 inch for the short to medium term. So, friends, let us conclude the show. Thank you very much for watching the show. Any suggestion you can give in the comment box, and have a nice trading week. Thank you.